What's up guys, Biker Dave here. This is for a Ford Mustang EcoBoost 2.3 Performance Pack, 2022 model. And this is the K&N filter that obviously needs cleaning because that is the dirty side, so we need to clean this. You can get this kit pretty much at any auto parts store, but I'll put a link down below where you can get it online as well. And what and it has very simple instructions on the back. Apply the cleaner. So you take this spray and spray it. I mean, you can really spray it on either side, but you should probably spray it from the clean side down to force out this nasty gook. And I would do it in a bucket of some sort, maybe in a mop bucket or in a sink that you don't care about. Spray liberally the cleaner, just spray a lot of it. Let it soak for a few minutes. And then in a mop bucket, take your warm water from your nozzle in your sink and just spray liberally all through here. You'll see all kinds of dirty crap come out of there. As you see it, it's filthy. And when you're satisfied with the cleanliness of it, you then need to dry it off completely. So see, we're doing one here in front of a space heater. So yeah, I would put it next to a space heater, just rotate it a few times. This is a cone filter from a Focus ST that we're cleaning also. So just, clean it fully until it feels dry. Shouldn't take all that long. So whatever method you want to use to dry it off. Then take your filter oil, which is this red colored stuff, and liberally pour it all over it. Just drip it all over it, every bit of it all the way around. Same with this one. We will, after this side's clean and dry, we'll put the filter oil just liberally put it all over it. You can put it on both sides and then let that dry before you reinstall it in the car. So make sure it's dry to the touch once you've put the oil back on it. And so put that back in front of a space heater or a fan or whatever you want to do. And once it feels pretty dry out here, you'll know that it's ready to reinstall, and you'll probably get some better performance out of the filter if it's been a while since you've cleaned it. So your mileage may vary as far as the conditions you drive in. Make sure you do this at least once a year, but if you're in a really dusty area, you may need to do it once a quarter, so once every 3 or 4 months. It really depends on your situation. And this could be the same for other power sport vehicles, like street bikes, motorcycles, hot rods, you name it, any kind of filter that's reusable like these. You should do these steps periodically to get the best performance. And if you got tears or rips anywhere in it, you should replace it. Same with these. If you got any tears, rips, damage on the filter, make sure you just replace the entire filter. Otherwise, you're just sucking dirt into your intake of your vehicle. And that's it. Make sure you check out other videos. We got hundreds of videos relating to cars, dirt bikes, golf carts, scooters, ATVs, hot rods, classics, new stuff, working around the house, all kinds of cool videos. And if our video really helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button that's underneath the video screen, and please send a donation. We really appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you.